So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to void a Docusign document. Firstly, log into your account. Then click on the Manage page at the top. Find the specific pending document you need to cancel. Click the drop-down arrow next to the envelope to open the Actions menu and select Void. Now type a brief explanation explaining why you are canceling the request. Now to finalize, click Void. The system will instantly apply a permanent void watermark on the pages, validate any signatures that were already collected and log out any remaining signers. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this, and drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next, and I will see you on the next video.